Welcome back to the channel, Ajay Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, something strange take place. Jean and Panton is now stating that her confession was made based on an offer given to her by her former boss and company founder, Hugh Croskery. Now, she's the only individual that has been charged in the alleged $3 billion fraud at Stockton Securities Limited. Now, Andre Stevens and other concerned citizens are stating that it seems as if there's a plan taking place for Jean and Panton to also get away with the $3 billion fraud, seeing that she's the only individual that has been charged, and she's saying that her confession was based on an offer she was given. Now, according to the signed confession statement that is dated to January the 7th, all the way to January the 7th, Panton admitted that she used various mechanisms to take money from clients and that she created false statements to provide to clients reflecting what they should have in their accounts. So why should I take with the money? Should I give them statements saying that yes, everything is going good, your investments are doing well? Now they said that the statement which was made to SSL as a part of an internal investigation named 39 clients whose accounts had a total value of over 700 million. 39 clients, 700 million. Now they're saying this statement was initially made to SSL. Jean Panton didn't confess to Mocha. Are they now saying that her confession was made in an internal investigation? And the only reason why she confessed was maybe because she felt as if nothing would take place. It's almost as if she felt that this situation would have been handled by the company. It wouldn't have reached the court. Mocha wouldn't get involved. CTAC wouldn't get involved. Let me call you Andre Stevens and another. How to say? And they will contain the reason. Look and listen.
Media today about Jean and Panton confession. Are you aware that I told you about that confession 2.5 months ago? Are you aware, Jamaica, that I told you about this confession 2.5 months ago? You remember the first time Jean and Panton went to court? You remember the first time Jean and Panton went to court? Who remember? And I said to you all, Jean and Panton confessed. And no media house, Jamaica. No media house. Print media. No mainstream media house carried the story, you know. No one of them carried the story. Let me go back to the story that I found. And let me show you, Jamaica. This is what I told you. She confessed to. From the first time she went to court. Let me look at it and let me show you, Jamaica. Let me show you. Can you show them that piece of documentary evidence? That all of a sudden now, every media house are run with it. Every one of them are run with it. Oh, Jean and Panton. No, not that one. The one that circled with the red. The one that is circled with the red producer. The court was told that Miss Panton confessed to stealing money for SSL because the company was in a financial distress. Who remember that document that I had presented to you all? Who remember, Jamaica, that document I presented to you all? The court was told that Miss Panton confessed to stealing money for SSL because the company was in financial distress. But now, Jamaica, I want to ask mainstream media something. Nationwide, you first. Nationwide, you. Cliff Hughes. Cliff Hughes, you. I need to ask you. You, Cliff Hughes. Courthouse no keep. This a story break pan nationwide. 6 o'clock this morning. 6 o'clock this morning, Jamaica, this a story broke pan Cliff Hughes program. Court no keep for Monday, you know. Me and hear Gene and Panton mention for go a court this morning. Yeah. But Cliff Hughes them break the story this morning say, oh, hear what them say? There was an inducement. Somebody induced her. And now she's saying, it's you cross-script. You cross-script was asking her to cut a deal or something of that sort. And everybody in the mainstream media now are run with the argument. But Jamaica, you know Jamaica, that this is just a big distraction. You know Jamaica, that this is just a big distraction. And this has court, this a claim here. Me could show the document where Nationwide put up, no? Show them no producer the document where Nationwide put up. Show them the document. Me want know Jamaica. No courthouse no keep this morning. But Nationwide was able to break story. Unless you say something wrong. Hear what Nationwide I say now. In the documents filed in the court, Miss Panton is alleging that she was induced to make her confession statement, and she would not have confessed that the inducement, she would not have confessed if the inducement was not offered. Miss Panton has named SSL founder and former director Hugh Croskery as the person who offered her the rub butter. The person who offered her the rub butter and said it was made on behalf of the company Stocks and Securities Limited. Can't say never no. Can't say never tell no. Can't say never no. So me want to ask Nationwide. Courthouse not keep today. So why this morning has cock put on him drawers? Why has that cock crow and say no?
Now talk to me in the comment section. Do you agree? Is there something taking place behind the scenes? Because clearly, Jean and Panton and her lawyers are hinting that some deal was made. Some offer was given to Jean and Panton, why she decided to take blame for the fraud that took place at SSL. But in her statement, it is said that she only took blame for money that was missing from 39 clients. And the amount of money was 700 million. Now when the investigation was done by the proper authorities, MOCA, other agencies, they are saying it's over 3 billion. And remember, it was said that she had said she do this on behalf of the company. So what she's saying? She take the money on behalf of the company, or she take the blame on behalf of the company? Talk to me in the comment section. Because clearly now, she's now stating that she not confessed to her light. And she only confessed when there was an investigation being done by the company itself. Is she now taking back her confession? So, as I say, some are saying that it seems as if there was a plan that nobody would be held responsible. Some are saying that this is just Jean and Panton's and her lawyers' attempt to try to get her the best deal possible. Try to create a way where she can do as little time behind bars. So that maybe she don't even have to do any time behind bars. Which is probably wishful thinking, but as something where our lawyers are going to work on fair. Talk to me in the comment section. Until we see you again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.